Hey folks, today is April the 9th. It's currently 1:52 in the afternoon. Want to go ahead and do the intro video for the next product we're going to look at testing. This product comes from SinryAdvice. And if we scroll down here, this is their website. You'll notice that they have several products for sale here. And the one we're going to look at testing is Forex MG Pro EA. And the reason I chose this product is because several of you guys actually reached out to me and told me that you're having success with it. All right, let's go ahead and scroll down here. You can see the price, $288. And if we continue to scroll down, we can see that it has a 74% win rate. They also have several myfxbook accounts that we'll take a look at. So here's a $500 account. Here's a $15,000 account. All right. One big thing that I like about this is that it does not use the Martingale methodology when trading. And we can see here default settings. So that means when you get it, you just use the default settings. So there's nothing special that you're going to need to change to get any particular type of results. The license comes with two accounts or two account license keys, one demo, one real, 100% refund if not profitable. These are all good things. We'll be able to, of course, in a moment, take a look at that 74% win rate claim. And there are some, there's a Q&A down here, and we'll take a look at that. All right, top performing EA, how to install. If you guys have installed any EA previously, it's the exact same way. And then you just send in an email letting them know your account number, and they'll send you your license key that you have to put in. And again, the settings, they use 5 pairs, AUD CAD, CAD Swiss franc, Euro USD, NZD CAD, and USD CAD. They use, or it trades on the 5-minute time frame. Obviously, you have to attach the EA to each chart and input your license key. Leave the settings as default. It's always a good thing. And obviously, you're going to need to set this up so that it trades 24 hours a day. And I have set it up on a VPS. Here's something else important. They recommend 0.01 lots per $500 in your account. And we are going to be starting out with a $2,000 sim account. We'll let it run for 4 weeks. And after 4 weeks, if it's profitable for this test, we will go ahead and start testing it in a live account. Obviously, as with any EA, don't close any trades manually. All right. Do not use cent or mini accounts. Standard ECN or ETC accounts only. So basically, I'm going to be set up on a ECN account. All right. Account leverage must be above 1 to 100. Obviously, there's a guarantee. Like I said, you can test it out on a demo account for 14 days. If it's not profitable, you can get your money back, which is always a good thing. Well, here's the Q&A or the facts section. All right, do you need a high level of expertise? Obviously not. It's the EA. It trades for you. How does the EA work? MG Pro EA has 12 inner indicators which analyze the market in different aspects and place trades based on them. It doesn't do Martingale, and all trades are based on market evaluation. It's one of the smartest EAs. All right. How if I don't make profit with it? Obviously, you can get 100% refund. What is the risk in drawdown? You need to follow the given settings in order to benefit the most. The EA opens trades in drawdown. EA open trades drawdown is below 30% and below 5% for closed trades. It follows inner setting for stop loss and take profit according to price action analysis. All right. Do I need to check it every time and change settings? I'm going to say no. EA will open and close trades and profit automatically. How much profit can I expect on a monthly basis? By following the lot size of 0.01 per every 500. So if we have a $1,000 account, it will be 0.02. And so with our $2,000 account, we'll be setting the lot size obviously to 0.04. All right, the expected monthly profit will be 12% to 20%. Now that is kind of high, but you know, most of the other EAs I've tested, I'm happy with 4%. So if this can consistently do between 10 and 20% per month, that is definitely a good thing. All right, and then there's a bit more information about SinryAdvice, the company itself. And if you scroll all the way to the bottom, you can see reviews, like I said, from quite a few people, and you can load more. And you can also see screenshots that people have sent in as well. So definitely check out their website. Let's go ahead and take a look here at the myfxbook link for those two accounts, one aggressive, one regular. And this is, where's that? Deposit $500. You can see it's a real account. And you can see at this point right now, it is up 89.3%. And this one started in September of 2020. And we can see here, October 13.5%, November 15.99%, December 13.34%, January 8.83%, February 7.69%, and March 2.59%. And so far in April, we're 9 days into the month, they're up 3.33%. So the majority of the months, if we include 2020, they have been above 10% per month, or pretty close to it. And we can see the average monthly is 10.24%. All right, so that is definitely looking very good. Drawdown, we can see here 20.09%. And so far for this week, it is Friday, so we can see that this week they earned 2.19%. All right, and this is with regular settings. They do have aggressive settings. We'll take a look at that momentarily. But one thing I do like is that you can see here they did take a loss in March, but the account was not destroyed. You know, I've seen EAs where they have winning weeks for, 6 or 7 months, and the first losing week that they take, not only is all the profit gone that they earned, but they end up blowing up the account. So I'm happy to see that this EA can take a loss. What was March? Let's see here. What did they do in March? Okay, so yeah, they took that loss in March, and they still ended profitably for the month, 2.59%. All right, so that is going to happen. We're not always going to have, 6 or 7 months where it's just straight up. So we did get these losses here, didn't blow up the account. The EA or the system was able to pretty quickly get us right back above this previous high of 88.11%. And at present, we're at 89.13%. And as we see here, drawdown hasn't been too massive. It's only been 20.09%. So definitely happy with what I'm seeing there. And we can take a look at, where's it at here? Here it is. Longs won 67%, shorts won 64%. I think it said the average was 75%. So it's not too far off, but it's definitely not where they said it was on the actual sales page here. But like I said, it's to be expected. Cannot tell the market what to do. Obviously, the EA is going to do the best it can. And for the past, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 months, it has done extremely well based on what we're seeing here. And we can also take a look at our summary, and we can see, haven't looked at this yet, but we can actually see how many trades each pair. These are the 5 pairs that the EA trades, and we will be trading each and every one of these. It's not like with some of the others where we have to have a certain amount in order to trade. But I want you guys to see this as well. And it looks like the most profitable pair has been USD CAD. Actually, no, I take that back. Euro USD. And we can see here $156.24. If we're talking about pips, it is USD CAD. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the aggressive account here. I believe they mentioned on the site, where is it at here? 15,000 real account with aggressive settings. All right, let's take a look at this one. We can see drawdowns significantly more, 48.04%. And let's see what it earned this week, 4.25%. And this one's only been running for about 4 months. It started the end of January. So really, and we're only on the 9th of April. So really only 2 full months has this been running, and it's already at 85%. And you can see the drawdown is more pronounced with the aggressive settings here. But I have no interest in that. I will be just leaving everything exactly the way it is. And yeah, so you guys can kind of see the difference. This is a real account. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the VPS so we can take a look there. Give me 1 second. All right, folks, as you can see here, we have a $2,000 sim account. And you can see right here, MG Pro EA, and you can see our 5 currency pairs. Obviously, I didn't want to start the test on a Thursday, so I am going to just wait until next week. So next week will be our first weekly update review for the MG Pro EA. And I will go ahead and, like I said, get everything set up at that point in time. But as you guys can see here, there are lots of things that we can, change here. And the good thing about this is we don't have to do any of that. We just put our license key in and we let the EA trade. And that's exactly what I plan on doing. All right, so I think that's pretty much everything I want to touch on with you guys. If you have any questions about MG Pro EA, you can send them my way and I'll try to get those answered for you. For some of you that are already testing it, definitely let me know your progress in the comments section. I'm sure people will be interested in hearing about that from you guys as well. And let's go ahead and jump out of this. My VPS is FXS VPS for those of you that are interested, and I pay about $8 a month. And I should be able to add or run maybe 3 MT4s on that for that $8 a month. So that's kind of what I'm using right now. Haven't had any problems with it since I got those initial issues worked out. Anyway, if you guys want to test it out for yourself, make sure you guys use the link below, and that link will take you to this page right here. Like I said, this is their homepage, and you just scroll down and you can check out the different products. Obviously, this is what we're going to be testing. Just click on that and it'll take you here. All right, folks, hope you guys have a great weekend. And next week, we'll get our first weekly update review for MG Pro EA, and that is going to be the 16th. So hopefully things will go well. All right, folks, take care, and I will see you on the first weekly update review.